Alrighty, Michael, here's your 347 small block Ford. Here's Christmas foundation, that's LRS cast head. Get the Edelbrock manifold. Let's see here, custom right hydraulic roller. There's some oil pan on it for you. Carb going ready. You want 3 plugs. For you. We've got Eagle cranking rods, custom DSS Pistons. Go over there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. You know, 3,500, 415 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 428, peak horsepower 429, rate of 425, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure they're good and clean, and show you a couple of things. See if your engine find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine numbers and all our specs. Need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got this QR code, take some more text stuff. Have a great day.